3 tasty sauces for your meats. Friends, today I will teach you how to prepare 3 sauces that will give your meats an exquisite flavor. Our first recipe will be a chili sauce. For this, in a bowl we will add 2 tomatoes without seeds, 1 red onion, diced, a 1/4 cup of coriander, half a red bell pepper, 2 sprigs of chives, 3 cloves of crushed garlic, and half a cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, a teaspoon of pepper sauce, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, and mix well. In the meantime, tell me from which country or city you are looking at us so I can send you a special greeting in the next video. The greetings in this video are for Alita Alvarez, who watches us from Colombia, and another greeting for Mirda Llanos, who watches us from Argentina. Thanks for always watching and enjoying our recipes. And look friends, this is how our sauce should look. Now, we will make a coriander sauce. For this, in a bowl, we will add a cup of chopped coriander finely, a cup of red pepper, a purple onion, 3 cloves of minced garlic, a teaspoon of sweet paprika powder, a teaspoon of oregano, a 1/4 cup of white vinegar, a cup of olive oil, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/4 cup of hot water. And we're going to mix well. Friends, this coriander sauce will add a rich flavor to our meals. I always use it on meats, even when preparing certain recipes with rice. The aroma it gives to food is delicious. Friends, the best thing about these sauces is that they are natural, free of preservatives that harm your health. Now we will make a Yucatecan sauce. For this we will need 2 onions cut into julienne strips, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of black pepper, a green chili, a cup of lemon juice, a cup of orange juice. And we are going to mix well. If you are a lover of spicy, to give a spicy flavor to the Yucatecan sauce you can add a habanero chile. This sauce is widely used in Mexican cuisine, and I am sure that you will love the flavor it provides when preparing meats. Even more so if you are an onion lover. And our sauces are ready. Friends, we have prepared 3 sauces to season our meals that I am sure you will love. I would like you to rate this recipe from 0 to 10. Thanks for watching this recipe through to the end. If this is the first time you see one of our recipes, subscribe to our YouTube channel Gustilo's Recetas for more content. See you in the next one, friends. A hug.